Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, I'm Patty, and on Thursdays we do budget-friendly home decor, food gifts, packaging ideas. Today I'm going to share with you one of my family favorites. It's an apple Danish that I make that my family has thought for years that I ordered from a bakery. So if you want how to make it, stick around. I'll show you how. It is absolutely the best, and the presentation on it is unbelievable. And I'm going to also show you how to package it if you want to give it away as a gift. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Okay, you can start with an 8-ounce cream cheese. Go ahead and let it get soft, and then go ahead and take the beaters and go ahead and beat it up. Just kind of get it beat up really well. Then we're going to add a half a cup of sugar, a little bit at a time until it gets mixed in well. And then you're going to add 1 egg yolk, just the yolk only, so make sure you separate it. And then I'm taking half a teaspoon of vanilla and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and I'm going to add those together. And I've mixed those together in that bowl. And then you're going to mix this up really, really well till it's real creamy. And then go ahead and scrape your sides, get it all put down there together. You just want to make sure that every bit of this is used. Next, I'm taking a can of apple pie filling. I'm using Duncan Hines Comstock brand, and I'm just going to go ahead and dump it into a glass bowl, and I'm going to chop it up. Now, you probably want to go ahead and open these up and take a look at them, because sometimes these have seeds in them, and you want to make sure you get those out. This one actually had 2 seeds in this batch here. But just get it chopped up as fine as you can. You can use any kind of pie filling that you want. Next, we're going to make our dough, and then we're just using a puff pastry, and then go ahead and put flour down on your surface first. And then we're just going to roll this out and put this over the flour. Now, normally I use Pepperidge Farm because you do get 2 of those in 1 box. They were out of it at the store, but we are making 2 Danishes, so if you can get Pepperidge Farm, it'll be a little bit less expensive. And then just go ahead and remove your parchment paper, and then we are going to flour the top part of this as well, because we are going to roll this out a little bit. And we're only going to roll it out on the long side. Just a little bit. Okay, next I'm going to come in with a knife, and I'm just going to cut 2 little slits on both ends. And this is where the filling's going to be. And then we're going to cut these in 1-inch strips all the way down on both sides. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Once this bakes up, even if it's not perfect, it's going to look beautiful anyways. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and add my filling. Now, I already made 1, but it was off camera. My camera was off. So when you make this, you're only going to use half of the filling in each one of these. And then you're going to add your apple mixture right over the top of this. Now, don't go all the way to the edge because you need to be able to fold over the edges. Okay, next we're just going to put our apple mixture right over the top of our cream cheese mixture. And then we're going to just kind of spread it out real well so it's kind of even all the way around. Okay, then we're going to fold over the 2 end pieces, and then we're going to start alternating with the 2 side pieces. Now, don't worry if this does not look perfect. Mine did not look perfect, but once you bake this up, you'll never see any of that. These turn out so beautiful no matter how you crisscross these. Just make sure that you get all your mixture covered up. Okay, next I'm just going to transfer this to a parchment covered cookie sheet. Now I have both of mine on the same one, but you want to make sure you put them on different ones, and then mix an egg yolk with 1 tablespoon of water to make your egg wash, and then go ahead and brush it on both of these. But you do want to bake these on separate ones because they do grow, and they grow big. But just get it completely covered, and then we're going to sprinkle it with just some regular sugar. Okay, so you're just kind of lightly dusting them, and then we're going to bake them at 375 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. After that's baked and cooled, we're going to go ahead and mix up our icing, and we're going to use 1 cup of powdered sugar, and we're just going to use 1 tablespoon of milk. I know I have a lot more out here than that, but really it only took 1 tablespoon. And then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. and just mix all that up real well. And we're going to drizzle that on. After that comes out of the oven, you want to let it sit for 10 minutes before you put this icing on it. But just get all the little clumps out of it and get it mixed up real well. Okay, and then I'm just going to take a spoon and I'm just going to drizzle this all over the top of both of them. Just kind of make sure that you kind of get it even all over it because you want a lot of icing on it. This is what really makes it good. And then I'm going to move this one over and pull my other one in. I'm going to do the same thing with that. You want to make sure you use all the icing, so make sure you separate it between the two. This Danish is so good, and people will think that you purchased this. My brother asked me at Christmas time, he goes, "Where did you buy this?" And then I'm just going to transfer mine to a cutting board so I can serve it. And then I'm just going to use a serrated knife just to slice it. Okay, if you want to gift this, just go ahead and take a piece and put it on some cellophane and just wrap that up. And then I'm going to take a cutting board that I got on Amazon. I'll give you the link for this. And I'm just going to take my tape glider and tape some scrapbook paper onto the front of it. That way they can remove this later. Just kind of put it right in the center, and then I'm going to take some ribbon just to go around the center just to hold it onto there. And then I ended up taking my tape gun and taping the Danish to the board itself because it was sliding. And I'll give you the recipe card for this down in the description below as well. And then I'm just going to take a gift tag and I'm just going to stamp it. And then I'm going to attach some baker's twine to it to attach to my board. And then I'm going to put the whole thing down in a cellophane bag. I'm going to tie a rubber band around the top part just to hold it together. And then I'm just going to attach my tag. This was pretty easy. And you can make a lot of these pretty quick and easy. I think I had $14 total in both of those Danishes. Okay, this Danish is so good, your family will ask for it every year. If you like these kind of videos, be sure and give me a like, subscribe, and ring that bell to be notified when I have a new video upload. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really appreciate it.